How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure there is sync enabled for Play Store. To check that, you can open your Play Store. At the top right corner, you can find your profile icon, click on it. And here you can check whether you are using the same mail or not. And then you can close this and open your Play Games app. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you can find three dots. Click on it. Head towards this option of settings. Over here, you can find different sections. Under profile and privacy, you will be able to see the option of automatically scan into supported games. You have to toggle on for that option. Sadly, in my device, that option is not available. But if you have got that option, then you can enable it and then you are good to go. After you toggle on for that, every game you open will automatically sign you in. So this is how you can transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.